Technical due diligence is making sure that you understand what you're buying when you're buying a building. The due diligence process is much involved and bigger than what we do as a business as AssetWize, but we're a little part of, I guess, a part of it. The technical aspect of it from the point of view of what we do as a TDD involves 4 things. We review documentation for the building, we attend the site and review the building, we listen and work with people who are at site who understand the building, and then we develop a report that gives our findings. Fundamental aim of technical due diligence for our client is to ensure that they understand any risks associated with taking on that property. Involvement ranges from building services review, building structure and fabric review, environmental considerations and building code, and also lifts. So what we're trying to do, or what we do, is provide a full report that states all the things that may be of technical concern to the owners of the property. We dig down into the historic archives in the environmental piece. We do the digging as well within the maintenance aspect for the building services and understanding what's happened and if there's any issues that we need to be aware of. It's the same with the building. Is there anything coming through that, from a point of view of compliance, it doesn't match what needs to be considered both into the future if there's any changes in use? Or is there anything that should have been done now and the new owner should be aware of, and can in actual fact take that back to the people who are selling it and say, look, this is something we've picked up on, let's talk. Because in some ways the risk has I suppose the benefit of being able to go back to and understanding the risk is the benefit of being able to go back to the vendor and say, look, these things haven't been dealt with, let's talk money. Because at the end of the day, everything is about the dollars. So risk has value, i.e. cost. So our reports also produce what's called, at the end of it, a capital expenditure profile, which is for 10 years usually. And it says these are the things that we need to think about, or we recommend that you put money into your budget to deal with, based on the condition of the building, any compliance requirements moving forward, and what life cycle requirements may be needed into the next 10 years. It's generally a fairly quick assignment. We're generally through these properties and back with the report within 2 to 3 weeks, possibly 4 if it's a large scale property. We've been involved with everything from residential through to industrial, commercial, large-scale offices, and even storage type environments. There's a lot of movement in the market, and this is really about managing the risk for the client. Our reports are seen to be hopefully meeting the need, and we thrive ourselves on making sure that our report matches what the client wants. It's not a cookie cutter solution. I'll say that again. It's not a cookie cutter solution. Hopefully that gives a bit more guidance. If you do need any more information, please get in touch.